Hi, I'm Beth, and I'm here to bring you this week's Tuesday Quick Tip. What's the first thing you should do after purchasing a new product? Read the manual, duh. In the storage compartment inside the case, you will find a quick start guide, accessories guide, product brochures, and a sealed pouch containing the instruction manual, warranty registration card, and 3 coils. It's important that you familiarize yourself with the tool before using it to ensure proper usage and to get the most out of your Mini-Ductor. In the manual, you will find information on safety precautions, how to operate the tool, registration, and repair information. Still have questions after reading the manual? Give us a call, shoot us an email, or reach out to us on Facebook. This has been your quick tip for this Tuesday. Thanks for joining.